Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the headphones off and lay them on a soft cloth to protect finishes. Once done, remove any cables and gather the new ear pads, a small flat pry tool or guitar pick, tweezers, and a microfiber cloth. Inspect the seam where the foam pad meets the plastic rim. You want to insert the tool gently under the pad edge and pry outward. Work a few millimeters at a time to avoid tearing the retaining lip and rotate the cup as you go. With the pad partially lifted, continue peeling it off in a steady motion. Keep the foam intact so you can match orientation with the new pad. Once removed, inspect the plastic rim and speaker surround for dust or adhesive residue. Dampen the cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe carefully, avoiding the driver. Now align the new pad so its inner lip and post match the original layout. This ensures proper seal and button clearance. Make sure the speaker mesh is centered before seating the pad. Seat the new pad by tucking its inner lip into the rim, pressing firmly and evenly around the entire circumference until you hear or feel it snap into place. Once seated, check button travel and hinge movement to confirm nothing is pinched. Then power on and play a familiar track to verify sound balance and bass seal. If you notice rattles, uneven fit, or muffled audio, remove and reseat the pad, inspecting for trapped fabric or misaligned lip. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.